大家好，我是 Wonton， 他是 Gemma。今天我做红油抄手，我们开始吧。Here are all the ingredients for the wonton filling. First, we need to make all the wonton filling, so we're going to add all the ingredients I just listed into a food processor. Okay, let's add all the pork, avocado oil, Shaoxing wine, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, sugar, ground white pepper, water, lastly the green onions. And then we'll blend this up for about a minute in the food processor to mix everything really well into a nice paste. So that way when we put it into the wontons, the paste should look like this when you're done. Now it's time to fill some wonton wrappers. Making wontons is a great family activity. It brings everyone around the table. Now let's hear Wok Mom and explain how to make the wonton.
So you put a small spoonful of the filling in the middle. You want to make sure that it's not too much, otherwise it won't close. And you put water along the edges so that you can fold it into a triangle. And then I use my thumb and the side of my index finger to squeeze the edges closed. I try to make sure all the air is out of the wonton so it has less chance of exploding when it's boiling. And then I dimple the bottom of the triangle so that I can curl it into kind of the shape of a gold ingot. And here we have it.
And then now it's a family competition of who can make the nicest ones.
Yeah, obviously I win every time.
We'll see. Now let's go make the sauce for the wontons before we cook the wontons. Here is a list of the ingredients for the sauce. Okay, Gemma. Before we gotta make the wontons, we gotta put all the sauce together. Okay, so first we're gonna put our soy sauce in. And then our chili oil. And then sugar. And then tahini that I freshly made today, and then garlic. Okay, just mix that all together. I forgot to add the rice wine vinegar, so just make sure you add that in. Now it's time to go boil some wontons, and then we'll be ready to eat.
Okay, so we just drop it into boiling water. Be careful, it can splash you, so you can also put it into a slotted spoon to put in. And basically, once they start floating, you let them cook for about 2 minutes, and then they'll be done.
Ooh, looks like they're beginning to float.
Yeah, the water's coming back to a boil.
Okay, it's been about 2 minutes now, so let's take out the wontons. So we're just gonna pour that on top. I'll put a link in the description below on how to make your own homemade chili oil for this sauce.
Oh.
Yeah, you want some water? You want to get
that one done?
Here.
Oh, thank you. Here.
Oh, now try the big wonton.
No, it's a little one.
Oh,
Nope.
there you go. Ooh, yeah. Mmm.
好吃吗？
好吃.
Oh, yeah!
Yay! Thanks for watching, everyone. And I hope you guys try this sometime too. Wonton making is a great, fun family activity that everybody can enjoy and bring everyone to the table. And I hope you guys have a good holiday season. Bye! Hey everyone, if you are enjoying watching, please remember to subscribe and click the notification bell to make sure you are notified when the next Gemma cooking adventure is released. See you next time!